Want to create a clean, professional drop-down list in Excel that updates automatically and appears in ascending order? In this video, I'll show you how to easily create an ascending order drop-down list in Excel using real data, step by step. Okay, let's jump right into it. Here we have a simple movie database. In column A has the movie names, and column B contains their categories, like drama, crime, action, and so on. Our goal is to create a drop-down list of unique movie categories that's sorted in ascending order, and make it update automatically whenever a new category is added. First, convert your data into an Excel table. Just click anywhere in your data, and press Ctrl T. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked. Now, click OK. Tables are powerful because they automatically expand as you add more data. Rename your table to something meaningful. To rename, go to the Table Design tab. I'll name it Movie Table. In column D, we'll now extract unique values from the category column and sort them alphabetically. Click on cell D2 and type this formula, =sort. Double-click the sort command. Inside it, type unique. And select the desired range. Close the formula. This function pulls all unique categories from the table and sorts them in ascending order automatically. As you add new categories, this list will keep updating. Finally, press Enter. Now let's create the drop-down list. Select the cell where you want the drop-down. Here I'll choose F2. Then go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. In the source box, type this formula, =offset. Select the cell D2. Starts from cell D2 as the reference point. Moves 0 rows down and 0 columns right, so it stays on D2. Now type COUNTA function. Select the column D. It counts all non-empty cells in column D. Add -1 to exclude the header. Now, sets the width of the range to 1 column. Close the formula. This dynamically includes all the unique values from column D, even as the list grows. Click OK. And boom, your drop-down list is ready, clean, sorted, and dynamic. Let's test it. I'm adding a new movie, say, Jurassic Park. And add a new category, say, Adventure. Check out column D. The new category appears automatically. And yes, it's already included in the drop-down, sorted perfectly. And that's how easy it is to create an ascending order drop-down list in Excel, fully dynamic, clean, and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Easy Click Learning, and turn on the bell so you never miss another Excel tip. Have questions or want to learn a specific Excel trick? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.